Hey everyone, welcome back to Premier Tweak. In today's video, I'm going to show something about really cool. How to connect Claude AI with Zero integration. So using an MCP. And trust me, once you see this in action, you will never want to go to manage your Zero board as the old way you are doing on. So let's see it in. What is MCP? The first thing, quickly understand what MCP actually is. The MCP stands for Model Connect Protocol. Think of it as a bridge. Now, when you open a standard that lets Claude connect to your external tool and real world apps like Jira, GitHub, Slack, more. So, without an MCP, the Claude is just a smarter AI that lives inside your chat window. With an MCP, the Claude can actually do anything. It can connect to any of the app. It can read the data from the particular app. For example, if it's connected to Jira, it can able to read the Jira ticket, create a new issue, update the status of the ticket, comments, etc. 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 Pretty powerful, right? Let's see. Now, why would we want to connect Claude to Jira integration? Is that really needed? Think about how much time you spend every day switching between your code editor to Jira, writing a ticket description, updating the status, checking the sprint progress. It's a lot of checking around, right? With this integration, you can directly ask anything about Zero to or Cloud itself. And also it has an advantage like you can speak and ask the things directly here. For example, show me all opened buckets in my project. So what are all the buckets I have worked on? List me like this with your simple English. Come on, let's go to the integration part. So you just log into your Claude AI. So for this, we don't need any premium subscription and all. We can go within our free plan itself. You can see the icon here. Just click that. Here you can able to see the settings. Go to your settings. Here you can see the list of menu like general, account, privacy, billing, capabilities, connectors, and Claude code. Here we need connectors. Just go to your connectors. Here you can see Jira is already listed here. If it's listed, you have already connected your MCP. If it's not listed, just browse the connectors. So you can go with search Jira here. Once you are searching, it will show the Atlassian. Just click here. You can able to read the description and all what and all it's doing, and then tools what and all going to use. Just go with connect. So now automatically your Claude AI and your Jira is trying to connect. It will asking for an MCP access. So in Jira we are just simply going to approve it. Once you are doing an approval, in backend side both Claude and Jira is exchanging their tokens. Once token exchange is successfully done, it will automatically connect. Yeah, see here, they connected to your Atlassian Renova. It's connected. We can able to view the details, right? So our MCP is already connected here. The configuration we can able to see what are and all things we can able to do, what and all read only tools, all those things. So just go to your new chat, say can you able to connect to Zero project. Parallelly, I just have created an Azira account. My ticket number should be KAN-6. We'll ask this next time. The Claude is a simple powerful tool. So this configuration and all very helpful to do lot and lot of things. See here, it just giving a result. Yes, I'm successfully connected to your Jira workspace. My Jira ID is here, showing here. It's just showing what and all project name I'm just currently having on. So it's so powerful here. Let's ask about the bucket here. Hey, this is my bucket. Let's show the status. So here, note the thing, I haven't given a project name here, just simply given a bucket number alone. See here, cool, right? It have taken the bucket and then showing the status, issue, type, assignee, project, all those things, right? So this will be very helpful to you, right? For example, for live thing, when you guys are working on, for example, for everyday stand-up call, you don't know what and all cards yesterday you have worked on, right? So just simply go with an voice we have, right? If you can use voice, or else directly you can ask here, like, what ticket did they update yesterday? Give a clean summary. For example, if you're tester, you can able to ask the last print what and all cards I have worked on, what and all cards I have tested, what and all cards moved to do. So all those things, right? When you are asking this, it will give a graph chart itself. It's very cool, right? Yeah, and that's it. Now you know how to connect our Claude to Jira using an MCP configuration properly, right? It's a very, very, very simple term. And for free thing, we don't need any limit to exchange their tokens and all, right? So we can ask how many times we need, we can ask it. So use it to manage entire project workflow through your natural language. It's very easy. And this is honestly one of our setup that can change our daily workflow. Give a try and let me know in comments. What is the first Jira task you have going to automate? If you found this is helpful, drop a like, hit a subscribe, and see you in the next time. Bye bye guys.